Should I use ult, guys? Should I use ult? Watch this.
Spike down B. One enemy remaining.
Let me get this ace. Let me get this ace. Let me get this ace. I apologize to your guys' ears. Send me the bill, okay? Send me the hospital bill. I got you.